Hello my beloved Catanatics, it's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, it is Independence Day here in the United States of America, our 4th of July, and I am here in the car with my beb na busy. So, the reason why dito lang kami sa labas, it's because yung fireworks display din naman kasi is makikita din naman dito. So, yung point na pupunta ka pa all the way inside the casino just to see that, hindi naman yata visible, kaya nandito kami. And hindi lang kami nag-iisa dahil there are a lot of people na nakapark ngayon dito. Meron na silang mga silya, meron na silang mga areas na halos parang nag-camping na sila na nakatambay nun sa labas. Kaya hinihintay na lang natin. It is 8:33 in the evening and we are here at the Red Rock Casino in Summerlin. Dito natin papanoorin yung fireworks display. Papakita ko sa inyo, i-share ko sa inyo. But for now, let's chill here in the car. Let's wait until 9 p.m. kasi 9 p.m. po yung magsa-start. And medyo late kasi nga matagal dumilim. So sa oras ngayon 8:34. Kung titingnan ninyo dyan sa background ko, medyo maliwanag pa. Kaya they have to scoot it over a little later para talagang madilim at saka ma-enjoy naman natin yung fireworks display. So, ayun. Hintay-hintay na lang muna. Let's just chill here. And then, maya-maya, labas tayo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung fireworks. And so, we are outside. Oh my God. Doon sa loob, may kinukuha siya. But if you look around, yan, maraming tao. And we are actually waiting for the fireworks. There, yan. Abangers kami lahat dito. But I think this is gonna be fun. There's a lot of people here. We're all gonna be cheering. And of course, it's our Independence Day here in the States. Tayo. We thought it's gonna be there, dun sa building na yan. Hindi pala, dito pala.
Enjoy natin dito kasi naamoy natin yung pulbura.
Naamoy daw namin yung pulbura dito, mas na-enjoy namin.
na. Ayan, dami tao. Puno-puno itong parking. Din. At solid kasi tamoy kami ng pulbura. Tumama sa baga. Okay.
Other side ng entrance ng Red Rock Casino, and normally doon kami sa kabila dumadaan. So itong area na to medyo bago sa akin, but let's go inside. Once you open the door, diretso tayo sa casino, and then tingin tayo na pwede nating mapagtambayan. Nalamis. Malamig pala dito. Ayan. In fairness, mabango. Saan tayo? So it's a very clean, fancy casino so far na napuntahan ko, kasi majority sa mga casinos na nandito, ano na eh, medyo maamoy na. This one is good. Saan tayo? Christmas tree, yung malaki.
Christmas tree.
Yung nag-Christmas party kayo?
Hindi naman dito yun.
Was it here? Here, bro?
Yes.
Ha?
Restroom.
Social. Ganda ng restroom. Where are we going? And so we've been walking inside, and this area here on the right side is what they call the sports area. You can do betting, you can watch any kinds of games that they have, basketball, football, boxing, lahat. Dito, marami silang screen. And pretty much all the casinos here in Las Vegas, they do have sports centers like that. Kaya, yung iba maliliit, yung iba naman malalaki. But for the most part, they're all the same. Bingo?
Ano to? Kino. Area.
They do have a lot of restaurants here and medyo kalat-kalat. So, I would suggest if you're gonna come here to walk around, wear comfy shoes or sandals kasi talagang kawawa ang paa mo dito. So, let's continue to walk.
Kain. Ito yung mga pang diet.
If you want, well, not really diet, but if you want something to grab really fast, ito yung parang food court nila. Mabilisan lang. Kasi meron din silang mga fancy restaurants around here. But if you're in a hurry, dito ka.
Diet, but burger.
So, we went outside. I think this is the pool area. And yung nakapalibot yung mga hotel rooms nila. And yeah, amoy chlorine. Kaya this is the pool area. So, doon.
Sarado na. Kulay purple yung tubig nila. Blue pala. Dito ba tayo? Dito ba tayo? Parang doon yata tayo galing eh. Ayan, nawawala na si Bisayang Ilocana.
Kapatid kayo, nawawala na rin. So, let's see. Let's find our way back dun sa front.
Yan pa.
Ang lamig doon. Pero ang init naman dito. So, that's pretty much it as far as the casino and the sports center and the restaurants that they have. So, it's time to go home na. Alright guys, so we are on our way home. I hope you guys enjoyed. At nakapagpanood tayo ng fireworks display nila here in celebration of their Independence Day or the 4th of July. Yun pong tawag nila dito sa States. And then, nakapasok tayo doon sa Red Rock Casino. Nakapaglakad-lakad tayo doon sa casino area nila. And sightseeing lang ng very, very quick. And ayun, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow me on Facebook. My Facebook page is Bisayang Ilocana. Together with my Instagram page, it's also Bisayang Ilocana. Again, this has been Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga Bisaya gal. Always saying, don't let anyone turn you away from your purpose and always live life for what it's worth. Thank you so much for watching and happy Independence Day, America. Bye!